Imagine a sunny morning. You wake up and look out the window. Your soft skin is perfectly taut without you having to lift a finger. It's a vision that seems straight out of a dream. Straight out of a dream, right? Well, this dream is now a reality. Thanks to the Trubo tent, Mammotion LUBA. Get ready to discover a revolutionary product that will transform the way you take care of your garden. Don't blink, don't look away, because what you're about to hear and see is going to change your everyday life. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This product is perfect for owners of large lawns, up to 5,000 man-hours, looking for a wireless, peripheral, and easy-to-use solution for maintenance. Impeccable. It's also suitable for those who want to integrate cutting-edge technology into their gardening while ensuring safety and efficiency. Even on complex terrains, the Mammotion LUBA 2 is much more than just a mower. It's a technological revolution that combines ease of use, efficiency, and innovation. Imagine a mower capable of handling lawns up to 5,000 square meters, to climb slopes of up to 80%, and all of this without the tedious installation of peripheral cables. Yes, you heard that right, no more need to struggle with wires or wasting time burying them in your garden. Thanks to advanced RTK-GNSS technology and multi-sensor navigation, the LUBA 2 sets virtual boundaries with centimeter-level precision. You can map your lawn directly from your smartphone with the Mammotion app, but that's not all. Whether you have towering trees or areas with weak signal, the LUBA 2 performs brilliantly thanks to its improved RTK signal coverage and 3D vision positioning technology. It's designed for the most complex terrains, whether it's steep slopes, potholes, or rough terrain. Nothing can stop it. With its four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive system, it takes on the challenges of your garden without worrying about them. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Safety is another crucial aspect of the LUBA 2. Thanks to its visual recognition technology, ultrasonic radar, and physical sensors, it avoids obstacles in a collaborative manner. The sensors are arranged to cover all angles, ensuring the safety of your family and pets. And in case of theft, no need to panic. Equipped with a GPS anti-theft system and a built-in alarm, the LUBA 2 can be secured and tracked at any time via the Mammotion app. Speaking of sustainability, the Mammotion LUBA 2 takes a big step towards being eco-friendly. It can be charged using solar energy, making it an environmentally friendly choice with zero emissions. Although the solar panel for the RTK reference station is sold separately and will be available starting July 2024, it's an option to consider for an engineer to reduce the carbon footprint. Everything you need, the experience of the LUBA 2, the sum of one for one, a game of the soul, the personalities, operation, safety, station mode, and when the station is going to reveal your garden, the cables and everything, directly at 210 meters, the built-in power supply of the LUBA 2, because your home is smart, child on the edge, LUBA 2, a 2-year warranty, and a multi-reaction agitation service that allows for table shaping, if you have any questions in the work area, and to create channels to receive the signal, ensuring maximum efficiency. So, to avoid the bad 2's poor connection, it is also equipped with cutting-edge technology for security and performance. With Keeper authentication, the opportunity to share on links in the tag, app notifications, daily larva, geofence, now I have enough to apply. You have benefits as well as advantages. On your end, advantage number 1, wireless installation, device. The setup is done in real time, with cables in the tele, which greatly facilitates the installation. So, advantage number 2, as soon as the startup progresses, you'll be more inside RTK, the box, it holds everything it is, and what you want from it. For example, the 2, of course, for precision, the power source, the blade chargers, the installation team 3, the security category, the charging station, the reference station. At the end, 80 km of extension, RT4 meters, that's the temptation, RT4. Advantage number 4 is that there isn't the same bottom measurement for you. You have a 2.5 stack and a reactive protection service, and you have minimal punishment. And ecological durability, professional quality, and solar charging stability, reducing the carbon footprint. Advantage number 6 is that you can't do the same thing, knowing that your customization comes from a mobile app. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to truly reap the benefits of your multi-zone management recipes. Now, I'm showing you barrel tasks for more advantage. I'm working with assortments and account heights. Customized advantages, the installation doesn't require its implant or any ingredients. Dealing with cables hasn't been one of those things that greatly involves saying that the skull was waiting for it. Advantage number 2, he moved it manually for some leaves the RTK technology. Advantage, and positioning, and no vision. A companion number 2, decision, dependent on technology. Advantage number 3, it can be intimidating for people who are less comfortable with new technology. So tell me, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description. Advantages. Learn more and see the hundreds of residents triple achievement in the garden with Mammotion, one of the 2 advantages number 5 of Axi. 3. Water load of TR by reducing the carbon footprint. Innovation, advantages of Axie. The Japanese, the chain bought them from a Haitian. You see the best product that we select? Amazon, Alexa, and Google Home. With that, I thank you for your attention using it, and I hope to set up tent tasks for multiple work areas with customized schedules and cutting heights. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, weight. 29 kilo, the mower can be difficult to move manually for some users. Advantage. And no, disadvantage. Number 2, dependence on technology. The technological complexity can be intimidating for people who are less comfortable with new technologies. So, tell me, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see the hundreds of reviews. Clients who have already transformed their garden with the same Mammotion LUBA 2 AWD 5000. Take care of your lawn and enjoy peace of mind with this exceptional innovation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.